Gillian Palis with the leather. The pass. Del Pozo now at the top. Gillian Palis. Gillian Palis is attacking the middle lace. Yes sir, first blood. Feliciano. Bounce pass. Number 34 posting up, kicks it out. Feliciano for 3. Bang! The nets. Feliciano. Bounce pass. Number 34 posting up. Kakaldag. Di makalusot. Kicks it out. And recover. Here comes Feliciano. 4-3. Wang! San Juan 4-3. Bounce pass. Here comes Gillian Palis. Gillian Palis behind the back dribble. Dancing at the floor. Spinning. Firing. Bullseye. And a long pass. Sulit. No. Here's Mejia. Kicks it out. 4-3. Bang! 3 points. Palis signaling the play. Pass to Taparan. Taparan goes to the right. And the pass, the fakes, the attacks, the sidestep, and the lace. Good for 2. And here comes number 1. 5. Inside pass. Nice pass. The finish. Bang shot is good. Taparan for completing the 3-point play. That's good. Diaz, pass to San Juan. San Juan cross the mid lane. San Juan kicks it out. Ugadan launches for 3. Bang! Nothing but the net. Door inbound. For team the Generals looking for the receiver. Taparan. Taparan. Looking for Del Pozo. Stop. Pull up J at 3. Long range. No good. Rebound by Diaz. Diaz is stolen by 5. 5. The bump against Tober. The lace. Good. That's for the inbound. High pass. Oh, what a backdoor play for Team Sunbet. Here comes Gillian Palis. Sharing the play. Goes to the screen. Goes to the middle. The lace will slide up. Rejected. Here's Diaz. Diaz. Pass to Mejia. The bump. The fake. The fire. Basket and 1. Go. Number 30. Number 38 kicks out for 3. Bang! The nets! You go. Number 16. 15. Pass to Mejia. Mejia. La Rosa. La Rosa the drives. Tober. Deep 3. Bang! 3 points. Pass to La Rosa. To Ugadan. Ugadan. And pass to number 15. Pass back to Ugadan. High pass to La Rosa. La Rosa bounce pass to the corner. Ugadan. And the pass. Open far sa 3. No. Rebound and a putback shot. And basket is good. For the inbound. Here's Sanchez. Lacson. Against Diaz. Open far sa 3. Bang! 3 points. Close the mid lane. Diaz. Pass to the right wing. Ugadan. To the corner. Pass back Diaz. Inside pass. Ugadan. The fake. Sinausaw. Ugadan. For the Generals, here's Del Pozo. The pass. The lace of the window. That's good. Ugadan against Palis. Bounce pass. And pass to the middle. La Rosa. Pass to the right wings. Diaz. La Rosa. And here's Diaz for 3. Bang! Diaz for 3. Pass to the right wings. Pass back Diaz. Ball poke away. Stolen. Here's Del Pozo. Tinignan pa yung bantay. And that's good. For Team San Beda. Bounce pass. Oop, bumitin. No. Rebound. Put back. No good. Stolen by Ugadan. And poke. Stolen again. Recover for 3. Del Pozo. Bang! 3 points. 3 points now. And the attacks, the bounce pass. San Juan open, open, and that's good. Easy too. Ugadan. And the pass, right side. La Rosa to the middle. Bump for San Juan. Stolen. And here's Palace. Bounce pass all alone to the hoops. That's good. Del Pozo goes to the middle and the pass near 5. 5, attack, bump, stop, pull up, jumper, bullseye! Rebound for Palace. Palace against Ugadan, high pass. Flow, the lob shot, the lob pass and the finish. 42 for the team, the Generals. Open na open! Libre. Team, the Generals. Kicks it out. Attacks, left-handed lays, basket is good. Palace! Ugadan, pass to the left corner. Corner pass, Mejia to the middle, open look, Diaz for 3. Bang! 3 points! Palace. Palace, stop for 3. No. Ugadan the rebound. Ugadan. Bump. Cross pass, Diaz attacks, spins, lays. That's good! Del Pozo. Stops for 3. Bang! 3 points! And here's Diaz. Diaz chest pass, corner picks, wide open for 3. Bang! Nothing but net! Corner pass, picks, step back for 3. Rejected. And here's Palace. Palace against Ugadan, kicks it out. 5, stop, pull up jumper. That's good! 5 goes to the middle, pass to the left. Here comes Palace. Palace to 5, open look, fires. Bang! 3 points! 5. 4 teams, San Beda. Kicks out. San Juan, open look for 3. No good. Battle for the rebound. Mapupunta kay Palace. Palace. Crossover mo, pull up jumper. That's good! And here's 5. And pass, corners. Lacson to 5, picks. Lacson the drives, the kicks out, open, fires a 3. Bang! 3 points! Kicks out. Spins, open, fires out, Donato. 5, signaling the play. He goes to the middle. Pass to Palace. Palace is stop and bounce pass. Open again. Oh! Bang! Same spots. The steal. Nonato. Looking for Ugadan. Ugadan now with a leather. Kicks it out. Drive side step. Left-handed floater. Basket is good. Palace. Palace against Nonato. Pass to 5. Pass back. Palace. Palace, he goes to the screen. It's against Mejia. Pull up jumper at the free throw area. Bullseye! Nonato. Pass it to the left. Diaz to Ugadan. Ugadan against Locsin. Ugadan inside pass. Bump and fire off the window. Basket is good. That's Mejia. Palace against Nonato. Pass it to the middle. Pacheco for 3. Bang! 3 points. Pacheco. Nonato fires at 3. No good. And rebound. Mejia. Top shot. Oh! That's good. Here comes La Rosa. La Rosa. Natapikan. Naagawan ni Palace. Palace now. Tinignan pa yung bantay. That's good. 23-60. 13-point lead for team the Generals. And the pass, Nonato. The attacks, pull up jumper. That's good. 5 drives, lays na libre. What a move by 5. Kicks it out. Nonato. Open for set 3. Diaz. Bang! That's good. 6 minutes, 45 seconds on the final quarter. 77-69. 4-3, Pacheco. No good. Rebound by Ugadan. Nonato, 1-on-1. Diaz against Pacheco. Bump and fire off the window. Kinain. Pass to Ugadan. Ugadan. The pass. Diaz attacking the defense. The side step. Wild open for 3. Short. And the rebound for Lacson. Crossover move. Attacks Del Pozo Lays. Basket and 1. Palis. Pass back Palis. Palis now. It's against Donato. Pacheco launches on 3. Bang! 3 points. Not 37 seconds on the final quarter. Deep 3. Bang! The answer by Diaz. Sanchez. Last one is Del Pozo. Deep 3. Bang! Nothing but the net. And attacks. Kicks out. And Donato kicks out for 3. Diaz. Bang! Another 3 for Diaz. 45 seconds on the game clock. Palis. Pacheco for 3. Bang! Another 3. Pacheco. Donato. Bounce pass inside. Top shot of the window. Bank shot is good.